G'day DIYers, it's Chriso. How you doing? What I'm doing here is putting in a small piece of timber to carry my tile, and I go up off it. It's better than putting in a small piece of tile. Nah, you put in your full ones, come back the next day and then cut your smaller piece above the bath accordingly. Notice that I have a drop sheet in the bottom of the bath. This is a brand new bath that the owners have put in. So you do everything you can to protect it. Hence the masking tape around the edge to protect it, and a drop sheet in the bottom. Also, with these types of waste, it's not a tile insert waste, it's a normal chrome waste, so it can scratch easy, so you protect it with masking tape as well. Okay, now what I've got to do here is find my studs. When I make a hole through the sheet like that, all I do is just bog it up when I take the timber off with silicone, and you're good to go. You can either screw it up or nail it up. I know there's a stud in the corner. So you whack it in like that. That'll hold my tile now, and I can carry on up the wall. So let's do it. Slap in your clips. I have made sure I'm plumb and I'm straight. See my level there? The tiles aren't going no. No, not on my watch. Once I go up here, I'll fill that in, those cuts, shortly. I don't have to directional trowel because I'm not going to get water out here on my walls. I'll be directional troweling in my shower area. I don't have to worry about it out here. Pop a little bit more on that edge. Chriso. Thanks for watching my channel, everyone. It's a full-on growing channel. It's kicking goals. Nice and straight. They have no pattern in them, these tiles. They're not all the same pattern. They are the sandstone look, a lot of people are using them at the moment. It's an in colour. I was there for a while doing white tiles, white on the walls, white. Oh, it was just white all the time. Now it's been good because bit of a change in colour. I have appreciation for nice tiling. I love my job. I do. I love people. I love people being happy. I love pleasing people. It's a cool feeling. I never do anything that I wouldn't have in my own home. And that's probably why I'm always busy. I do bathroom after bathroom. And I love it. I don't have a labourer or anyone like that I'm looking after all the time. I'm a Gemini, so I've got a mate with me all the time anyway. If you know your star signs, right, so my timber knot is not exactly dead level and all that jazz. But it's no good if it's above. When you nail it on, make sure it's a little bit below, and you just adjust it accordingly with a wedge or two. These little suckers DIY, these little yellow wedges that you get from the tile shop are brilliant. Get yourself some. I buy them by the packet load. There's 500 to a packet. I don't go saving them. I sweep them up in the mess that I have, throw them out. They're all pretty cheap to buy.